Today I'm excited to be taking you guys through and unboxing the brand new 5-blade palm shaver from Panasonic. So let's get into it. So you guys can probably already tell the size of this box. This is a super compact and super portable rechargeable shaver from Panasonic. So first up, you have a little message from Panasonic which details how this is made from Nigori ocean minerals, which means every shaver is unique and is one of a kind. We'll come back to that in a second. We have an included AC power outlet, the USB to USB-C rechargeable cable. You have oil for the shaver, you have a brush to clean it, then you have all the manuals and care instructions. Then we have the actual shaver itself, and this is going to surprise you guys because this is it right here. Obviously it comes with the included travel case. And then that is the shaver. That is everything right there. As you guys can see, there is no handle, and that is because the motor is built into the head of the shaver itself. Underneath here, we have the button to power on and power off. On the back, we have the port here, which is the USB-C charging port. And of course, when you pop that back on, it does seal it because this is washable underwater. So that is it. A super compact, super sleek, super minimalist design portable shave from Panasonic. A revolutionary shave in the palm of your hand. So when you guys do grab one, this will be everything that is included in the box.